2014 Honda Pilot EXL 8-passenger SUV. Black paint, full aluminum sport alloy wheels, good tires, tinted windows, rear bumper protector, dual chrome tip exhaust, third row seating, power tailgate. It's well kept gray leather interior, rear climate controls. Power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat adjustments, heated front seats, 390-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just over 167,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us at Cupholders.